Hello viewers, tonight we're going to be taking a look at my Emerson model 77646-SU. Here's a look at the fan. You guys can see this is either 1940s or 1950s, but we're going to go ahead and start it up so you can hear the startup sound. And we're going to start off on high. Medium, and low. Alright, here's a look at the running fan. As you guys can see, I did restore it. I repainted it blue, but I left the tag original here. You see, got high, medium, low. Now we're going to do a spin down. Okay guys, that's going to do it.